back to the channel, guys. So as I promised, videos are going to get more frequent. So something happened the other day. As you can see, we've got another car here. I don't think you can quite see what it is just yet, but I will tell you that the Subaru is now sold. It was a spur of the moment thing. Something else came up, which was this. So I sold it, and yeah, it's gone. So on to the next project. Like I said, I'm going to bring you content. So this channel is going to cater for every car user, every car enthusiast, no matter what car it is. So the cars will just keep chopping and changing. Okay. So what do we have here? Let me show you. We have a Audi S3. Just gonna take you around the car, guys. Quite a clean car. It's on the ramps at the moment. Just giving it a quick once over. So here we have a 2007 Audi S3 Quattro. It is not in bad nick at all, guys. Yeah, I do like this. It's supposed to be running a stage 1 map. I tend to think it's a bit on the sluggish side if it has got a stage 1 map, so I'm getting that checked during the week. Just doing a routine maintenance on it at the moment. But yeah, it's a nice car. It's done about 100k. Unfortunately, it didn't come with much history, but it has got a history, so I'm tracking it down from main dealer. So yeah, it was a Part X from Ford Scooby. No nasty tears, nothing like that. A little bit of wear, as you would do. So yeah, here we have it. Always wanted one of these. Like I said, quite a clean car. Sorry, there's limited space in the garage. So all I'm doing at the moment, I've got a bit of an oil leak coming from the bottom of the car. I won't tell you what it is. Well, actually I will tell you what it is, 1 second. So, went for a spirited drive today. Came back, everything was fine, no issues. And went outside into my other car, was about to go out, and I see some oil on that side at the bottom. Red oil, gearbox oil, ATF, whatever you want to call it, right? And I thought, let me get underneath and check it out, because there's a bit of a pull. So it only turns out that the drive shaft's loose, isn't it? So I've spoken to the owner. He didn't know nothing about it. I believe him because he's actually a nice guy. So yeah, so just sorting that out at the moment. When I mean loose, I mean I could probably take it off my hand. That's how loose it is. So anyway, it's just a short video, guys. This is not about what I'm doing to the car right now. I'm literally just going through the whole car, making sure it's all good. But yeah, so Subaru's gone. Got now an Audi S3, so the project will take place. It's completely standard exhaust wise, otherwise engine wise. As far as I know, it's got a stage 1 map. I don't think it has though. After driving it, no, because my Subaru was about 360-ish, right? So this stage 1 should be over 300, and it doesn't feel like it's even 300. So it just feels like a standard car to me. But like I said, on Wednesday, I'm getting a map checked and go from there. But yeah, here you have it, guys. So a few more videos on the Audi S3 coming up. We'll be going for a drive. We'll be seeing what power mods we can do, maybe induction kit, I don't know yet. But let's see what we can do with it, guys. Alright, see you in the next one, guys. Thanks for joining in. Stay tuned, comment down below, like and subscribe.